So now let's see how we can work around with composition settings inside of Thunderbird. So to do that, you need to go around onto the tools menu right here, and then you need to go to settings right here. So once you go around onto settings right here, then what you can simply do is go around onto the composition settings right here. So here you can see that there are different composition settings right here. For example, you can go ahead and forward the message inline or as an attachment right here. So right now it's on inline. That means, let's say for example, if I were to go around and click right here onto any particular mail right here and then forward it, then what happens is that it is forwarded in line. Now let's say for example, I'm going to go around over here and then set it as attachment, and once you go ahead and do that, I can go ahead and then let's say for example forward this, and then what happens is that it is forwarded as an attachment, as you can see right here. Similarly, there are many settings, so you can auto save this particular email or whatever you do every 5 minutes. So in case something happens, the software freezes in 5 minutes, it is still saved to the draft. And then over here you can also go ahead and change the time. So you can also confirm when the keyboard shortcut is used to send messages as well. So confirm when using keyboard shortcut. So if you're using keyboard shortcut, then it will confirm before sending the mail. And you can also add link previews when adding up and pasting up URLs as well. So let's say for example, if I were to go around onto new message right here and I type in www.youtube.com/tutube right here, just like this. And let me just go ahead and link this out around over here. So let's just go ahead, and then I'm going to go around and change this into a link right here. Then what happens is that there will be a link preview that will be attached with this particular email as well. So that is how you can go ahead and work around with the composition settings inside of Thunderbird to change how email compositions actually work. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.